Hi, teacher Linda Nashas here. Feast, F-I-S-T. Palm, P-A-L-M. Back of
The back.
the back of the hand.
Just spell back. Just spell back.
B-A-C-K.
Pergelangan tangan.
Wrist,
Hmm.
W-R-S-R-I-S-T.
Hmm.
Palm, T-H-U-M-P.
Show your thumb. B, T-H-U-M-B.
Gitu sih.
Okay, number 2.
Index finger,
Hmm.
I-N-D-E-S F-I-N-G-E-R. Middle finger, M-I-D-D-L-E
Okay.
F-I-N-G-E-R.
Okay, next.
Ring finger, R-I-N-G.
Okay, next. The last one. Little.
Little finger,
Oh, another one?
Yeah.
L-I-T-T.
L-I-T-T-L-E.
Finger. Pinky.
Pinky finger,
No, just say pinky.
pinky,
How to spell pinky?
P-I-N-K-Y.
Okay, knuckles. Show your knuckles. Okay, spell.
K-N-U-C-K-L-E-E.
K-L-E-S.
S.
You showed more than one. If let's say one knuckle lah without S. And then the next one. Kuku.
Nail.
Finger.
Huh?
Finger. Nail.
Fingernails.
Spell.
N-F-I-N-G-E-R N-A-I-L.
Okay. Hujung jari. Fingertip.
Fingertip. F-I-N-G-E-R-T-I-P.
Okay, that's all. Say bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.